Okay, there is a cool sculpture of the Star Spangled Banner, a depiction of a flag here at the National Museum of American History. Once again, open 7 days a week for free. Here, these booths you can buy audio tours for $7 or $6 and movie tickets to see some of the cool 3D movies that are playing, including one of the exhibits we saw downstairs was D-Day, Dogs, Tornado Alley, Apollo 11, national parks, and others. And we're on our way out the door. We've only got time, 1 hour today before our parking space runs out. Quickly, here's an exhibit about the Special Olympics, celebrating 50 years. And there are many wonderful athletes that competed in those Special Olympics over the last 50 years. And that's pretty much it. Jump between the agility lines to try and keep your knees high. There they are, right on the floor. You can practice for the Olympics right here at the museum. Once again, open 7 days a week for free. And here we are heading towards the exit. Oh, last chance for gifts over here on the right on your way out. T-shirts, postcards, and other cool memorabilia, including NASA spacesuits, little Junior Commander, orange Junior Commander spacesuits here at the National Museum of American History. Oh, one last exhibit over here on the right, just before we exit, is the surgical instruments from the Middle Ages, including forceps and scissors, and some other cool surgical, oh no, those are glass tubes and dinnerware around 1829, some beautiful blue decorative plates and serviceware. And that's it for the American Museum, National Museum of American History today. See you down the road. See you outside on the National Mall, where we're going to be next. Thank you, sir. Have a good night. Thank you.
¿Eso también grabó? ¿Sí lo filmó? 1967. ¿Dónde está el toque para allá? Sí.